Bros and Amtan Bros, Brohams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys another episode of when I encountered YouTubers in my Minecraft games. So this first one we have is cooldude951, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please watch the end because it's actually a very good game I played. And a little background knowledge is that my friend Squishy, his mic was really just pretty much disabled. It's really quiet, so I have subtitles in it so it doesn't just seem like I'm talking to myself. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get right in. Alright, we're splitting. We're trying to find the perfect split. Alright, so I'm going this way. That's fine, that's fine. Just place it on the bed. Hold on, I just got these people over here. That's one team. That's one. Oh no, he one hit me off. Come on, that's a rip. That's, dude, I wish you were here with me. Right there, you see him the first time in the chat, and it said he fell in the void. What a L, to be honest. Right, Mr. is running away, and I don't like that. Come back here, Mr. Yellow, Mr. Yellow, Mr. Okay, so I got yellow mister, but it seems like the green misters are just gonna like not be as friendly. So is the green mister. We killed each other. That's not supposed to happen.
Oh my god, what is this? I just blocked touch like 5 times.
RIP.
Probably aims like you should come back to base.
I can only come back to base if I die.
Like they're both here.
Well, if I don't get green's bed and they kill me, then I guess. Alright, well maybe it'll just be for the best. Man, my aim is trash. Still got them though. Alright, that's fine. I'm just gonna clean up everything that happens here. Alright, let's see. Got everyone. That was pretty nice. The thing that I find most strange about this game is that I am 1v2ing the whole right side of the map, and my teammate, Squishy, is 1v2ing cooldude951 and his teammate, and somehow we are not losing.
White is so bad. They like just
Right there, he just called cooldude95 bad, which is hilarious. And then right there, he called him a loser. So it's just 10 out of 10. Flawless, yes. Don't think I did what? Oh, well, I don't think so either. That's because I didn't.
Oh my god, these kids just keep suiciding. They're so annoying.
He again calls them annoying. And then I blocked him off. Flawless lice. Nice.
Oh, the fridge. You would literally contract all this fridge. God, these people. Oh, I might be able to get their bed. Possibly ink, but I don't care anymore.
So at this point, he was 1v2ing the whole time. He didn't even care about losing our bed then. He just wanted to get their bed, which I totally get. I mean, I kind of feel bad for him. He's just not been moving and having to stressfully 2v1 people. I'm pretty close to their bed as well. Dude, this guy's nuts. Actually, he's not. He's had a good angle on me. I'm at pink base right now.
Hey, you see me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw you. I saw you. I saw you. I saw you. I saw you.
Look.
I did. I saw you. I'm coming.
Should I just full set this thing?
Hold on. Let me get over there first. And then we can find out a plan of action. Alright, now let's 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go. You can get it, you can get it. Nice. You got any diamonds for me? Or gold, I mean. Some gold on the floor here.
He's on the bridge. It's good.
So from right here, there's one last person on the bridge, and I don't even realize who it is. It takes me until I see him on the screen till I realize who he is. And I realize he is cooldude951. I freak out. I tell them, guys, this is a YouTuber and it's crazy. Then I accidentally kill him. It's weird. I can, I have fireballs.
What? What? What have I?
Dude, those did absolutely nothing.
Oh my god, I have to
Wait. This guy right here. Wait, he's a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber. Stop.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed. That was when I played with cooldude951, so it was pretty great. I didn't even mean to kill him. I just went to back off and tell him that I was subbed, because at the time he only had 3K subs, and I was like, you know, it'd be cool to tell him. So I go to tell him, and he jumps off because obviously he was too scared. He knew me. He was like, wow, it's the DoctorEpicness. I can't with this guy. He's too powerful. And he just went for a little swim into the void. And yeah, that was it. So if you guys liked the video, please like, please subscribe, you know, yada yada yada. Okay guys, thanks for watching.